The agriculture perspective, of course, is even more difficult because we have the developing world that contributes to climate saying, excuse me, but I didn't cause this problem. And now you are telling us we have to take all the measures, but then adaptation doesn't get the support it requires. So having agriculture in mind when we are finalizing and developing this rule book is extremely important. Also, part of the challenge is how we ensure the flexibility that is required for the different beneficiaries and type of countries we are talking about here. How we ensure there are differentiated responsibilities for the big emitters and the small emitters, and how we can really give the importance to adaptation that we need to give. Because it's relatively easy to invest in climate mitigation, but it's very difficult to get the funding and to invest in adaptation. And for agriculture, of course, adaptation is key. So the other aspect that I think is very sensitive is to define how we are going to evaluate the mitigation reduction patterns when we are doing the monitoring and the tracking. Other elements that we consider are also key for this rule book to take into account from our perspective is the importance of ecosystem integrity from the agriculture point of view, the food security obviously, and the key element, production and consumption. In IFAD, we have been working on the largest adaptation program for agriculture of smallholders, which is called ASAP. And this program, which is about $300 million, helps smallholder farmers to adapt to climate change. So in some cases, for example, we are promoting flexi biogas. In some countries, we are promoting solar electrification for cooling the milk, for example. Or in other cases, we are helping them with seeds that adapt to higher salinity or less water availability. So it's a very diverse portfolio of direct support to the beneficiary countries IFAD works with. I think now we need to structure better our these commitments, both on mitigation and adaptation, with clear milestones, so that we don't have just general statements like, I would like to increase my adaptation in agriculture or increase renewable energies in agriculture. I really want to know exactly what the countries want to do and how we can support them doing that.